Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a wooden barrel. You're going to love it. We're going to practice ovals and cylinders and spheres. And this is going to be filled with red apples. Come on, let's jump in the studio and start drawing some barrels. All right, we're going to get started drawing our wooden barrel. First thing we want to do is start off with a center line. That will serve as our minor axis. If you're not sure what that is, check out the video up above and that will show you and explain it to you. But let's continue on. You're going to get our sides of our barrel. They're somewhat curved. And then when you draw the bottom of the barrel, make sure you really curve that. That will get the illusion that we're looking down on top of it. Now I'm going to quickly put in a couple sides that will serve as guides for our wood slats and even surface lines. And I'm just going to go back in and draw over the top, trying to get it nice and symmetrical. Let's add a little bit of thickness to the slats of wood. I always draw light. It allows me to build up my drawings as I go along. It's part of the sketching process that I think makes drawings look very lifelike. A lot of movement. Let's draw in a couple guides for our metal straps.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Now I'm just going to start to fill it with apples. I'm going to start with a single apple right in the center, a couple others around it, and then build up a base of apples that they could sit on top of. And if this happens to be going way too fast, by all means, just hit pause, get caught up, and then start where you left off. That's the beauty of working on video. Now, for the lid, I start off by drawing a square going back in perspective. That helps give me a lot of guidance as I'm making sure I want the lid to lean up against the edge of my barrel. Add some thickness and a handle at the top. Now, and generally, these are all the basic ideas that I want. Now it's just a matter of adding some texture, decoration, darkening some of my lines so things really start to pop off the page. Now this barrel doesn't have to be filled with apples. You could fill it with a certain liquid, you could fill it with tar, you could fill it with anything you want. Just redefining the metal straps that go around it. On the side of the picture, I've also added a color version, which I put together along with the final sketch below it. But this brings us to really the end of our video here, and this should give you the framework to build and draw a wooden barrel and put whatever you want in it. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. I love making these videos, and I hope you are learning from them. Okay, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.